Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete cutout stickers on Instagram. So in case you didn't know, on Instagram we can create stickers by using our photo, and Instagram will automatically cut out the photo to become a sticker. And here I'm going to show you. So if you want to create, you can just go to the camera of your story. So just click on your story and then uh just I'm going to just photo this, for example. And to create a sticker, so you can just click on the sticker icon at the top, and there will be these options, cut out. So just click on cut out and then select the photo that you want to create into stickers. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the stickers that you've already created. So for example, here is my stickers and I want to delete one of them. So what you need to do is just long press on the stickers that you want to delete. For example, I'm going to delete this one, and there will be this option, delete stickers. So just click on delete. Just like that, the stickers will be deleted. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.